Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what you should do to keep your makeup in its place. Like, I know that this is the summertime and we get so frustrated that our makeup get melted every time we go out. So this is a very frustrating part for me, even more because I sweat a lot. When I tell people that I sweat a lot, they say that this is good for your skin. Like, sweating is good. You shouldn't be feel bad about it, but I somewhere like I feel happy. I also feel very sad because my makeup gets everywhere. Like, I have to retouch my makeup every freaking time whenever I go out. So always I choose to go to the mall rather than going parks or other places because I sweat a lot, and because of that I choose to go to malls. So as you can see, I'm still sweating because the fan is not on. If I on the fan, then you will hear a lot of noise, background noise, which I don't want you to hear, obviously. So that's why I keep my fan off, and I really want to quickly do this video because or else I know that I'm gonna be melting soon. So yeah, let's just get into the video. First thing what I do to keep my makeup on its place, that using a primer. Now I didn't buy any particular primer for me, but I think that every person should buy a primer for themselves. Everyone should buy a particular primer. I did not buy any particular primer for me. I just bought bought the aloe vera gel, and I use aloe vera gel as my primer. I don't use particularly any primer thing, and it also do the same job, not like very nicely, but yeah, somewhere it does the job for me. I'm not talking about other people who use aloe vera gel and get the same work which primer does, but as I am very sweaty, like I sweat a lot, that's why primer aloe vera gel as a primer doesn't very workful for me, but it does its job. But I think you should buy a primer rather than investing on aloe vera gel only. I think you should go for a particular primer thing. You can see I'm sweating. You should what it does, it keep the makeup in its place, and you won't feel like you need to touch up again and again. Obviously in summer you will touch up, no matter you wear primer or whatever you wear, you will touch up at some point of time, but not like again and again and again. Yeah, you will touch up anyways. Obviously you feel like you need to touch up, but if you use primer, you won't feel that you need to touch up all over again and again. So that's a good thing about primer. It will keep the makeup in its place. I remember the previous year when I went out, just used Lakme foundation, and I could see my face was like a fully it looks like I have a tanned skin. It was so looking bad. I just I just can't explain the day. That was the bad day of my life, obviously. It was the makeup was melting down, and oh my god. So you don't want it to happen, right? So yeah, go and get a primer for yourself. Number 2, going to places where you can get AC. You should go to malls and places where you can get AC. I can say that you should not go to other places because we humans have so many works to do. It's not like we only have work inside the mall. We have so many other works to do outside. So it's very difficult to go to mall and get a little chilled and sit and get a little relaxed. It never happens every time. For an example, if you are doing work, then it's another issue. But if you are hanging out with your friends, try to keep choose places where you can get you can feel relaxed, you can get AC, like malls and places like that, cafe or malls. So that would be number 2. Number 3, if you have applied makeup, make sure that you have not applied layers and layers of makeup in summer, because it will melt down like nobody's business, and it will look so bad, so cakey, so hilarious, so funny, so ugly. that you can't handle it. So don't apply heavy makeup if you are going out. Try to go casual, try to be minimal as much as you can. Try to, you know, put light makeup as much as you can, because you don't want it to melt down. So keep it in your mind. Don't use heavy makeup whenever you go out. And I'm saying this out of my experience. I did it few years back, and I could say that this is the worst experience you can get in your life, like in terms of makeup, that your makeup will melt down and it will look so bad, so bad. So please don't wear layers and layers or heavy makeup when you are going out in summers. That's why I like winters more than summer. Yeah. Number 4 will be, try to wear casual clothes and light-weighted clothes. Now, you kept in your mind that you should do your makeup light in summer days. But if you are going to wear heavy clothes, it will not help you. Like, try to go for casual clothes. Try to wear casual light clothes so that your makeup goes with that. You should always wear light clothes rather than heavy clothes. If you wear heavy clothes, still you will feel very hot and you sweat like a pig. So don't do that. Try to wear casual and light clothes in summers. Number 5. Do not wipe your face roughly. I know you won't have towel outside. Keep an, you know, tissue paper with you, or you know, a hanky. Slowly, you know, dab it like so. You will feel that your makeup is not in its place if you know, drag it. This is how you can, you know, wipe out the sweat. You should not rub it, you should not drag it. Try to just dab it. This is a very nice way to keep your makeup in your place. So yeah, always keep a hanky or a tissue paper along with you. So that's all completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel. You can make me smile by subscribing. So subscribe now, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.